Hi guys, it's Madeline. Thank you so much for being here to watch my Sephora haul video. I'm so excited to show you guys what I picked up during the spring saving event. I'm filming this Saturday. I'm gonna try to have it uploaded tomorrow, and then there should still be Sunday and then Monday left of the sale. So if you are still wondering what some really good options are to actually splurge on while you can get them for 10, 15, 20% off, then just keep on watching. So here is the damage. But on a positive note, these are all things that I love. So I'm not just like buying a bunch of things, showing you guys like this is everything that I bought during the sale and then going and returning half of it or something. I have already like exchanged and returned and used what I love, so this is it. So let's start off with my new favorite shampoo and conditioner combo. This is a repurchase, so I'm not out of my first round of these just yet, but I know I will be sooner than expected, so why not snatch up more while they are 20% off. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day shampoo and conditioner. The thing is too, is that these have new and improved stickers on them. Mine that I am currently using do not have those, so kind of intriguing. We'll see if there's anything different about these than the ones that I already have. With my oily hair, there is no negotiating that I need to wash my hair every other day. This morning I washed my hair, and if I wasn't using these products with like the old stuff that I was using, it would be like already greasy by the end of the night. So I mean, I already love the formulation that I'm using, so I hope that they didn't switch this up too much. Ones that I'm using, it says your hair looks cleaner for longer. Now they say hydrate and perfect, so we'll see about that. These are color safe, silicone free, and sulfate free. And these little 8-ounce bottles actually last longer than I expected them to. Next up, I also restocked my favorite makeup removing cleansing balm. This is by the Inky list. This is their Oat cleansing balm. Helps to remove makeup and cleanse sensitive skin. So this is a awesome makeup remover as opposed to makeup remover wipes, because those just aren't the best for your skin. This lasted me such a long time. Like I just finished it and I don't even remember when I purchased this last, so it definitely lasts a while. It takes off every single trace of makeup, and it's affordable too. I like that it's in a squeezy tube. Also on the side it says 3% oat oil, helps maintain skin moisture levels, smooths and reduces blackheads. I didn't even know that this whole time. 1% oat powder helps reduce redness and irritation, so restocked that. My favorite cleanser, the Youth to the People Superfood. So this is their kale and green tea spinach vitamins cleanser. I thought that they had one more other one, but just to clarify. I think any single person that has a social media, especially in Instagram, has seen this. It lives up to the hype. My oily skin and acne prone skin loves this. Gets the job done without breaking me out or stripping my skin. And I love the scent of this. It smells like you're walking into a floral shop. Like you smell greenery, just like a little trace of floral. I don't know, it's really beautiful. I think this is my third or fourth one. I cannot remember. One last skincare item that I could not resist. This is by Glow Recipe. This is their Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. This is so cute, you guys. Of course, their packaging is shaped as a strawberry. Isn't that so cute? I mean, come on. I will tell you what though, they are a little bit sneaky. I feel like every single product, especially skincare that's been launching lately, has niacinamide in it. And that was a part of my 3 ingredients at my Curology 2 years ago that like destroyed my skin. So I thought this whole time I was allergic to niacinamide and that was my issue. This is the first thing that I have used with niacinamide in it ever since that whole situation. Hear me out. I would only use this like once every other day, a few times a week, where Curology, they want you to be using it every single day. So it could have been just too much at once for my skin. It could have also been more potent in that compared to this. It's further down in the ingredients list. So I just thought, you know what? Let's just go for it. I used this for the first time a few nights ago, and you know what, you guys? I already love it. It did not irritate my skin. I was overthinking it so much. The night that I was wearing it, I had a dream that I woke up and my skin was all irritated. Curology traumatized me. But no, my skin, I woke up and it looked so good. I am not even kidding you guys. Just out of one use of this so far, my skin looked amazing. It just looked so less textured. So I will keep you guys posted on this little guy. Next, diving into makeup, because you guys all know I really needed more makeup. Let's start off with the new and improved Dior Forever Matte Foundation. This is exciting. They improved their formula. Transfer-proof 24-hour foundation, high perfection, concentrated floral skincare with sunscreen. Mine is in the shade 2.5N, and I am wearing all of my beauty products on my skin today. I just wanted to make sure I loved everything before coming on camera and showing you guys. Random side note, the one thing that I did just completely return was the Indian Summer blush. It was way brighter than I was expecting. It looked a little bit more muted in their pictures, but that's all right. So that was the only thing I took back. This I originally purchased in 3N thinking like, oh, it would be perfect with my self tan. No, I did not get that tan for my self tan. But 2.5N is what I exchanged it for, and this is way more consistent to my Dior Backstage foundation. Even though that foundation is 2.5N, the 2.5N in their old formulation of this foundation was just weird. There was some sort of like lighter undertone to it. This is spot on now. So that is awesome that they improved that. I think it applied so beautifully. For concealer, I have been so eager to try the Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear. I did have to exchange this for this lighter shade. I don't know why I didn't just go ahead and get the lightest shade in the first place. I should have known better. I have the Tint Idole foundation and it oxidizes. I mean, you put it on, you think it's gonna be 10 shades lighter, and it's not. Their products are very hard to find the right match, but I found the right match in the foundation, and now I have the right match in the concealer. So I think I'm gonna pair those two together and do like a wear test review for you guys. But this is in the shade 095 Ivory, or did they just spell ivory weird? So this is what it looks like, and I love that they added this metal rose embellishment. It's so beautiful. They have that on the foundation now too. I love this. I also have this on today. When it oxidizes, it is the perfect shade. It is still brightening, but it's not this white. I love the doe foot applicator. It is so unique. So I tried this shade for the first time today, and it is just perfect. It's a very light coverage concealer, which I really like because I don't need a very heavy concealer. I normally use full coverage foundation anyways all over my face, and then I just want to like top off this area just to lighten and brighten up a little bit. So this is like what I have been waiting for. I'm already so in love with it. This next product, let me tell you what, I am obsessed with it. It is so expensive. I would have not bought this if it wasn't on sale. The Nudegasm Face Palette by Charlotte Tilbury. Kind of a funny story. So I had everything in my cart, of course, that I wanted for the sale. It was Friday, April 1st when the sale started for Rouge. But I woke up, I went to work. It was a really busy day, so I didn't even get to sit down and place my order until, I don't know, somewhere in between patients around like 10:30. I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to place my order before something sells out. Like the sale has begun. The makeup addicts are flourishing. This was sold out. I was so mad because like this was the moment, you know, like I have wanted this for a while, but this was finally the time where I'm like, yes, it's excessive, but I've been wanting to try it, so let's go for it. But my amazing coworker Sandy, who like I love so much, she watches every single one of my videos, and it's just so, it means the world to me. It's to have that support from my coworkers. I really won the coworker jackpot lottery. They are all so amazing, you guys. Look at how beautiful this palette is. Okay, I didn't even say why I brought up Sandy. So my coworker Sandy was like, what about Kohl's? And I was like, sure enough, Sephora Kohl's website had it in stock. Somehow, some way, they must receive separate stock versus the Sephora website. So I was able to order it on the Kohl's website. Oh my goodness, thank you again so much, Sandy, because I love this. Look at how gorgeous this is. This is a contour highlighting blush. I mean, you can use it as an eyeshadow. It's just an all-over face palette. It is so worth the hype, you guys. Here she is in her pride and glory. Oh, I did use both of these to contour today, but I did use my DIBS Beauty 1.5 Desert Island Duo sticks for bronzer and blush. So if you did not see my last video, it's a full first impression review tutorial using that. I did go in and top that blush with this, and it is perfect. It is just such a beautiful like spring summery shade paired with that DIBS Beauty stick. And I do have this on for highlight, and it is just, yes. Lastly, I purchased the new YSL mascara. This is their Lash Clash. I'm intrigued by this. I'm not like full on in love with it yet. It's a very wet mascara, so I almost feel like I gotta give it a chance to like dry it out to totally love it. But it is very beautiful so far. I'm really liking it. The packaging is really beautiful, but for some reason, I think just because it's YSL Saint Laurent, I really expected this golden logo to be metal. I don't know why, because like this is probably one of the most affordable things in their line, but it's still such beautiful packaging. And this is what the applicator looks like. It's just a bigger applicator than I'm used to, so I'm not getting rid of this because I'm already really enjoying it, and it's only gonna get better the more I apply it. All right, you guys, that is it for my Sephora spring saving haul. If you snatch anything up last second because of me, please let me know. I'm eager to find out. But if you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below to help my channel grow. I would really appreciate it. Otherwise, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!